अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 69, topic number 123. अति प्राकृतस्तु आत्मा वै जायते पुत्रः इत्यादि श्रुतेः स्वस्मिन्निव पुत्रेऽपि प्रेमदर्शनात् पुत्रे पुष्टे नष्टे च अहमेव पुष्टः नष्टः अहमेव पुष्टः नष्टश्चेत्यादि अनुभवाच्च पुत्र आत्मेति वदति. Author Sadananda has completed the Samanya Adhyaropa. Samanya Adhyaropa means general superimposition. Superimposition is called Adhyaropa. Seeing the world as Nama Rupa real is Adhyaropa. Even though Brahman is the cause of this universe, even though Brahman alone is appearing as universe, but missing that Brahman, upon that Brahman, the Nama Rupas are superimposed. Having superimposed the Nama Rupa, taking that Nama Rupa as real. Superimposing the name and form on consciousness existence principle is called superimposition. Just as you superimpose the snake upon the rope. Similarly, upon Brahman, all these Nama Rupas are superimposed. Once you superimpose, you do not know that is superimposition. Nobody knows it is superimposition. If he knows superimposition, he knows that is unreal. But everyone takes this Jagat Nama Rupa as real. The person who sees the snake upon the rope, he never knows that I am superimposing the snake now upon the rope. He never knows that. He takes the snake as real. He do not know that he is superimposing the snake upon the rope. He do not know. Similarly, the whole entire humanity except Jnanis, superimposing the Nama Rupa, snake-like Nama Rupa upon the rope-like Brahman. So that example, rope, here, Dashtantanlo, Brahman. Just as people superimpose the snake upon the rope, and they do not know that is a rope, and they do not know that superimposition is superimposition, and they do not know that superimposition is unreal, what they are doing, and take it as real and frightened of that snake, ஹேவிங் கிரியேட்டட் த ஸ்னேக், இல்லாத ஒரு பாம்பு கிரியேட் பண்ணி அந்த பாம்பா நினைச்சு அதுக்காக பின்னாடி ஓடிண்டு இருக்கானே, இதெல்லாம் என்னென்ன பிரமா. அதே மாதிரி இந்த நாம ரூபம் நம்ம பார்க்கறது எல்லாமே நிஜமாக நினைச்சு அந்த பிரம்மன் மேல சூப்பர் இம்போசிஷன் பண்ணி, இந்த பிரம்மன் மேல சூப்பர் இம்போசிஷன் பண்றாமனே ஞானம் இல்லாமலே, அந்த ஞானம் இல்லாத்தினால் இந்த நாம ரூபம் மூலமா வர என்ன கஷ்டங்கள் எல்லாம் இருக்கின்றதோ அது எல்லாமே நிஜமாகவா நினைக்கிறதே அஜ்ஞானம், அத்தியாரோபம். Now all our problems க்கு ஒரே ஒரு காரணம், one cause, due to avarana, due to vikshepa, veiling. Our intellect is veiled by this ajnana. Then I project nama rupa. Once nama rupa comes, brother, sister, father, mother, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, grandfather, சின்ன தாத்தா, பெரிய தாத்தா, எல்லா தாத்தா வந்துடும். And the related problems also will come. And taking those problems real, and my sorrows are real, all are real. And crying. How much real? How much real? Totally real for that person. So, this is general superimposition. Now, having done this much superimposition, this is itself is a big crime, Himalayan blunder. One error leads to another error, that's Visesha Adhyasa. Now, author is talking about different philosophers, they have their own extra superimpositions, their own projections, not arriving at the truth, and they are creating many more superimpositions. What are they? First, author presents Charvakas. Before going to Charvaka, Prakritaha, normal, uneducated person, how he thinks. Ati Prakritastu, a common man, extremely asamskritaha. What he feels, Atma vai jayate putraha, he also quotes that Shruti Vakyam. Atma alone, I myself alone born as my son. Atma vai, Atmana here, I myself. Jayate putraha, born as putra. So the son is none other than my manifestation only. Ityadi Shritehe. This quotation came from the Shruti and he quotes that. Then this is Shruti Pramanam. Yukti Pramanam, what he gives, Swasminniva putrepi prema darshanat. He loves his son as himself. How much he loves? That much he loves his son, of course, until he gets married. Married. Afterwards, it is there, but putri api prema darshanat. We are seeing this. This is the logic. Just as he loves himself, he loves his own son. This is yukti pramanam. Then anubhava pramanam. Putre pushte nashte cha. If my putra is pushtaha, means well educated, well established, and well earning money, pushtaha. Then father also feels, I am also comfortable, pushtaha. Putre nashte. Ade putra you have to supply here. Putre pushte sati, aham pushtaha. I am happy. If my son is happy, I am happy. My son is comfortable, I am comfortable. Why? My son's happiness is my happiness. Even though he is in somewhere, America, North Atlantic, or somewhere. Even though he is far away physically, but if he is happy, I am happy. If anything happens to him, unpleasant thing, putre nashte cha, aham nashtaha. I am also in loss. Ityadi. Ityadi means etc. etc. Putra only for example. Putri, Naptaha, daughter-in, grandson, granddaughter, all other relations. Anubhavacha. This is the experience. Human experience. Regularly we are seeing. No need much explanation also. So, putra atma iti vadati. Therefore, because of these reasons, what are these reasons? Shruti pramanam, yukti pramana. Yukti means what? Logic. Reason wise, if you see also, pramanam is there. Anubhav pramanam, more powerful. Therefore, putra atma iti vadati. What is atma now? Atma means nothing but my putra is atma. This is one Siddhantam, first one. Now Charvaka comes. Charvaka. 4 Charvakas are going to come. We will read that one. Topic number 124. Charvakastu Savaesha Purushonnara Samayah इत्यादि श्रुतेः प्रदीप्त गृहास्वपुत्रम् परित्यज्यापि स्वस्य निर्गमदर्शनात् स्थूलोऽहं कृशोऽहमित्यादि अनुभवाच्च स्थूल शरीरमात्मेति वदति. So Dehatmavadi, first Charvaka. Charvaka is a philosopher. So he has got his own views about this world and human being. What are all his views? He says, among Charvakas, one type, one school of thought. He says, what previous person said, Prakrita Purushaha, that is not right. Putra Atma is not right. Why not? The reason also he gives here. Yukti also he gives. First he gives again, all philosophers gives these 3 pramanams. Shruti, Yukti, Anubhava. Now first let us see what is Shruti pramanam. He gives quotes here. Sava esha purushonnara samayaha. Saha, that Paramatma, what Shastra is talking, is nothing but eshaha, this. Eshaha means this. Annarasamayaha. Physical body. That body which is made up of the essence of food. Annarasam means, rasam means essence. Mayaha means endowed with. Endowed with. Vikaram. Maya means vikararthe. This body alone is the essence of annam, annarasam. That purushaha is none other than annarasamayaha. Saha, purushaha, eshaha. That atma, what we are talking, none other than, is the essence of food. Therefore, the body is the essence of food. Therefore, that atma is this body. So, dehameva atma iti yaha vadati saha dehatma vadi. Dehameva atma is called dehatmavadi. So, where from this quotation from Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahmananda Valli 2.1.1. Second chapter, second Valli, first Anuvaka, first mantra. This is the quotation. Ityadi shrutehe. There are so many other quotations all. Adipadat. Then what is yukti he gives? Not only shruti pramanam, yukti pramanam also. pradipta grihat swaputram parityajyapi swasya nirgama darshanad. I used to give this story, you remember, no? I'll remind you. A person, a boy, first when he born, a small boy, what he likes first, amma, 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 always amma, amma, amma. சொன்னாலே உங்களுக்கு கதை தெரிஞ்சு போயிடும். என்ன இதே பேட்டர்ல சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பேன் நான் ரொம்ப வருஷமா. அம்மா அம்மா அம்மான்னு. Once the baby little grown up, crawling stage to walking stage now. Then bomma bomma bomma, dolls, lot of bomma you have to give to that baby. Then always with bomma only, not amma. So bomma only. After some time, he little grown up. Then he want to read, study books and all. Books, always reading books. Then little grown up, again more outside games. Outdoor games, not indoor games, outdoor games. Krida asaktaha. Ammagan, bommagan, bookgan. Now cricket asaktaha, baseball asaktaha, swimming asaktaha, tennis asaktaha, cricket asaktaha. From that Krida, now he is interested in a girl. In the bomma vitti, andha bomma pidichitaan. So another girl, he wants to get married. That girl is so nice and tells to his mother, I want to marry that girl. She is so nice. Whether he himself choose or mother. Payyan kalyanam solli, kalyanam panni vechuvan. Once marriage over, what comes next? ஒரு சின்ன பொம்மை வரும். ஒரு சின்ன baby, you know. That boy got married and he became adult, he got married and he got a son. And he has forgotten his mother, all his childhood, everything, and he has forgotten wife also. First wife, honey ன்னு சொன்னான். பையன் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் சனி. இந்த பேபின்னு பிடிச்சுட்டு கண்ணா 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 கண்ணான்னு ஒரே இதை லல்லவி பாடிண்டு and he is so enjoying. And he earned lot of money for this son's sake. And the son is a nice house, palatious house, and that baby is sleeping in the cradle. And he has gone to office after giving a lot of kiss to that baby. And he has gone to office. And he got the news, his house caught fire. Then he immediately rushed up and jumped to catch his son. At least I want to protect my son. Let the property go, let it go. But I want to protect my son. Wife he didn't bother. Wife engirikanu madre panda. The kodandana protect panna. He jumped into that fire, entering his house. But he couldn't protect that baby. Fire, the flames are too high and he came out. Without saving the baby, he left the baby inside that house and he came out. And shouting other people, if anyone is here, you please go and protect my son. I'll give my whole property. Entire property, I'll give it to that person who can protect my son. Please go inside. None of them gone inside. Whereas this person, why he is protecting himself? By leaving his own son. That's what he says, author. Pradipta grihad. That house which has caught fire. Pradipta grihad. Swaputram parityajyapi. His own son is there in that cradle. Swaputram parityajya, having left parityajya api swasya nirgama darshanat. He himself came out, left his son. If putra is so much lovable, how can he left that putra? Therefore this Dehatmavadi says, you see what first person said is wrong. I am right, because he wants to protect himself, his deha, not putra. Therefore, nirgama darshan. Nirgama namana coming out. This is what we are seeing. Darshanat. This is yukti. Logic example over. Now what example? Anubhava. Sthuloham, I am fat. Krushoham, I am lean. Krusha ante lean. Stulahana fat. I am fat, I am lean. Ityadi. Ityadi means you apply, I am fair, I am happy, I am sad, all these things. Anubhavacha. Not happy, sad. Only physical body he is enumerating. I am beautiful, I am handsome, I am an officer. All these things belong to what? Physical body. Therefore, anubhavacha. This is what? Universal experience. Universally, everyone experiencing this. Sthula sharira atma iti vadati. This Charvaka says, because of these three reasons, I conclude Deham alone is Atma. Therefore what? Take care of your body, pamper your body, go for gym, make your body slim, trim, attractive more and more, and eat more. Burn your cholesterol. Then eat more, burn your cholesterol. Eat and go to gym. And enjoy. This is what people know. Pampering their own body and eating, enjoying. What is there next to attain other than this? Therefore enjoy. Next comes second school of thought of Charvakas. He who is going to say Deha is not Atma. See how they interpret Taittiriya Upanishad. They are also quoting Taittiriya Upanishad. How we are studying Taittiriya Upanishad, how he has interpreted. Ide Shastrame quote pannuva. Aparascharvakaha Deha Pranaha Prajapatim Pitarametyochuhu Ityadi Shrutehe Indriyanam abhave Sharira charana bhavat Karnoham badhiroham Ityadya anubhavacha Indriyanyatmeti vadati. So Indriyatmavadi. Sense organs are alone Atma. So it's nice topic. You don't get anywhere this much clearly. No? All one by one topics are coming. Indriyatmavadi means Indriyams are alone Atma, self. Indriyams means all sense organs. Apara Charvakaha, other Charvaka. Apara means other. Different from the previous Charvaka, there is another Charvaka, Apara Charvaka. What he quotes, Shruti quote, Teha pranaha prajapatim pitaram etya uchuhuna. These all sense organs. Tehana, these sense organs. He is quoting Chandogya Upanishad. Tehana, those sense organs, pancha jnanendriyani, pancha karmendriyani, they thought, Chandogya Upanishad, we saw all the sense organs, they thought, eyes are thinking, I am the great. Ears are thinking, we are great. Every sense organ is coming to conclusion, I am only great, I am only great. All of them put standing together, let us go to Prajapati, who is our father. Pitaram, Etya, having gone there, Uchuhu. They said, you tell me who is great among us. Pancha karma indriyani, pancha jnanendriyani, Pranadaya. Ellaru vandu, who is great? Pranas didn't come. Prana is sitting quietly. Okay. These 10 sense organs went and asked Pitaram, Appa kitta poi, Appa nama kolandai kuda varuva adhe madiri no. Appa, naan yaru great choli? Nana. Appa will contest pottuvar. Oh, go and see, without whom one cannot exist. He is great. Without whom one cannot exist, that person is great. That sense organ is great. You know that story. I don't want to enumerate that story. Because you are supposed to be Upanishadic students. The Chandogya Upanishad, care of 5th chapter, 1st section, 7th mantra. You can look into your notebook or textbook. Okay. Ityadi Shrutehe. The same occurs in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad also. Who is great? They all ask. That itself shows pranas are important. Now he gives yukti. What yukti he gives? Indriyani abhave sharira chalana bhavad. When the sense organs are not functioning, abhave means sense organs are not there. Sharira chalana bhavam. This deha cannot function. What is the use of deha? If eyes are not functioning, ears are not functioning, nose is not functioning, and taste is not functioning, all hands, legs and all are not functioning. What is the use of this body? It is as good as dead. So therefore, how can you say deha is important? Sense organs are only important. He says, Indriyani abhave, by the absence of sense organs, Sharira chalana abhavaha, the movement of the body. Chalana means movement, abhava means absence of the movement of the body. Movement, not moment. Movement of the body happens. It takes place. This is yukti. And so, correct then. Sense organs are not there. Tvagindriyam is not working. You do not know how many kosu is biting you. Even you do not know hot water is what cool water. Many of us don't remember that Tvagindriyan, the touch. The touch is so powerful. That's why you are able to protect yourself. Imagine Tvagindriyam is not functioning. The touch is not functioning. That means you do not know water is coming under you, fire is coming under you, do not know. You will sit like that only. How dangerous. When they are all functioning, we never know their value. So therefore, this deha is a deha because of sense organs. Therefore, what my philosophy is? Indriyani eva atma. All sense organs are atma. Wonderful. His logic is also right. He also quotes that Veda mantra. Then he gives anubhava. See, person says, when he is not able to see, Kanoham, I am a blind person. He says what? I am blind. I have no eyes and chollamata. What he says? Nan Kuridan. Nan, I am blind and chulva. I am blind and I am a self. Blind and blindness. I am blind means what? So sense organs he has taken as himself. That's why he used the word Kanoham. I am blind. Correct, Dani? Therefore, eyes are only Atman. Badhiroham. Badhiraha deaf. Badhiraha. I am not able to listen. I am a deaf person. My ears are not functioning, he won't say. I am deaf. We are using it not. Sense organs are not functioning. There is a little problem in my ears. But what people say? I am deaf. I means self. Deaf means deafness. So therefore deafness is myself. ஹியரிங் பவர் இஸ் ஆல்சோ மை செல்ஃப். புரிஞ்சு போச்சு இல்லையா? அதுதான் அவனுடைய அனுபவம். கரெக்டாக தோணும். இட்ஸ் பிக் ஃபிலாசபி. நமக்கு ஏதோ ஜோக்காக இருக்கும், ஃபன்னியாக இருக்கும். அது ஒரு பெரிய ஃபிலாசபி. காணோகம் வதிரோகம் இத்தியாதி. இத்தியாதி மீன்ஸ் அதர் சென்ஸ் ஆர்கான்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. I am a handicapped person. I don't have legs. I don't have hands. So all these sense organs are very important. Anubhavacha. This is my experience. Therefore, indriyani atma iti vadati. This indriyatmavadi Charvaka says, indriyas alone, sense organs alone are come under atma. நமக்கு பிரம்ம சச்சிதானந்தம் எல்லாம் படிச்சு சத்து சித்து என்ன, அது சத்து கிடையாது சித்து கிடையாது. சென்ஸ் ஆர்கான்ஸ் ஓன்லி கம் அண்டர் ஆத்மா. ஹவு ஏ பர்சன் கேன் டூ மிஸ்டேக் நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஃபன்னியா தோணும். நல்லா பண்ணலாம். மிஸ்டேக் இஸ் தட் பர்சனுக்கு இட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி சிம்பிள். நெக்ஸ்ட் அனதர் அப்பர சார்வாக்கா இஸ் கமிங். தேர்ட் சார்வாக்கா. அபர சார்வாகஹ அன்யோந்தர ஆத்மா பிராணமயஹ இத்யாதி ஸ்ருதேஹ பிராணாபாவ இந்திரியாதி சலன அயோகாத் அஹம் அசனாயாவானஹம் பிபாசாவானித்யாதி அனுபவாச்ச பிராண ஆத்மேதி வததி. Now comes Pranatmavadi, third Charvaka. Apara Charvakaha. Shruti quotation he gives is Anyontara Atma Pranamayaha. Same Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahmanandavalli. Second Anuvaka, first mantra. Anyontara, the interior. Interior to what? Interior to this sense organs, interior to this physical body. There are outer, external. Body is external. Sense organs, little internal. And than sense organs, most interior is prana. That is called Anyontara. Anyaha Antaram. There is something else which is interior. Atma asti. What is that? Pranamayaha. So தேகத்துக்கு இந்திரியங்களுக்கு உள்ள இன்னொன்று இருக்கு, டிஃபரெண்டா. அதுதான் பிராணம், அதுதான் ஆத்மா. பிராணாத்மா பிராணமயஹா இத்யாதி ஸ்ருதேஹே. In other Upanishads also this point has mentioned. Prana abhavaha. He is giving yukti now. What is the logic behind this? Prana abhavaha. When the prana is not functioning, indriyadi chalana ayogad. All these sense organs, karma indriyani, grana indriyani, manasu buddhi, not manasu buddhi, only these sense organs he takes. Chalana abhava, ayogat. Ayoga means incapable of. They are incapable of functioning when prana is not there. Because of whom they are functioning? Sense organs are functioning because of prana. If prana is not there, the sense organs cannot function. Therefore, sense organs are great or prana is great? Prana is great. Therefore, how can you say sense organs or Atma? This Charvaka says, oh Charvaka, you are wrong. I am correct. I am Pranatmavadi. Pranameva Atma. Everybody, they have their own followers. They have their own followers. அதனால அச்சு புச்சு கூட ஃபாலோயர்ஸ் இருப்பான். அச்சு புச்சுன்னு எல்லா ராங் நோஷன் பீப்புளுக்கு கூட தப்பு தப்பா சொல்றவங்களுக்கு கூட ஃபாலோயர்ஸ் இருப்பான். அதனால டோன்ட் டேக் எ பர்சன் இஸ் கிரேட் வென் தே ஹேவ் ஃபாலோயர்ஸ். புரியுறதா? அம்மா சுவாமி எவ்வளோ க்ரௌடுன்னோ, லாட் ஆஃப் க்ரௌடு, சோ மெனி பீப்புள் கோ. இஃப் சோ மெனி பீப்புள் கோஸ் யூ தே ஆர் கரெக்டா? Non-thinking people they are crowd. Non-thinking people you need not take it is granted. So if you also join that, you are also non-thinking person and artham. The mass phobia, mass and artham, the crowd paathe odidva sila per. இந்த crowd paathe ஓடுறவங்க எல்லாமே புத்தி கிடையாதுன்னு அர்த்தம். கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு திங்க் பண்ணி போகணும். நாட் ஐ ஷுட் நாட் கோ பிஹைண்ட் எனி ஃபிலாசபர் ஆர் எனி சிஸ்டம் பை ஜஸ்ட் சீயிங் த crowd. 100 people, 2000 people or crowd is going there like that. I should not take. Is there any essence? Is there anything they are communicating? Is it making a sense? Is there any sense what they are talking? I have to think. So as long as non-thinking people are there, they are surviving. No? They survive. That means heavy crowd means what? Many heavy non-thinking people in Ardham. And don't conclude that heavy, a lot of crowd is there, that person is very popular, that person is great. அது வேற விஷயம். அவர் சொல்றது பிலாசபில கரெக்ட்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. சொல்ல முடியாதுன்னு இல்லை, சொல்லக்கூடாது. You have to listen his philosophy, you have to listen his statements. He may come regularly in the paper also with pictures and all. இந்த பேப்பர்ல வருது சுவாமி, நிறைய புக்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு, நிறைய CDs இருக்கு. So what? So what? Shastra says nothing doing. However much he is popular, Shastra puts that person into dustbin. No use at all. அதுக்கு தான் இன்டலெக்சுவல் ஆனெஸ்டி இஸ் ரிக்வயர்ட். யூ மஸ்ட் திங்க். வெரி ஃபியூ பீப்புள் ஆர் திங்கர்ஸ். திங்கர்ஸ் ஆர் ஓன்லி ஃபிலாசபர். ஃபிலாசபர்னா ஈவன் அத்வைதா வி ஷுட் நாட் கால் இட் அஸ் ஃபிலாசபி. ரியலாக சொன்ன ஆல்வேஸ் ஐ சே ரிலிஜியன் philosophy, religion philosophy. I use always enter into religion, come to philosophy, Advaita philosophy, Vedanta philosophy. And the philosophy word could have wrong. A philosophy is that which has got a philosopher. Very difficult to swallow. I myself said, and only one level of teaching. Even if you go further higher step, truly speaking, Advaita is not a philosophy. There is no philosopher behind Advaita philosophy. Since it is not a philosophy, there is no question of philosopher. Since there is no philosopher, it is not born out of any human intellect. Advaitam is a jnana, which is the truth. There is no philosopher behind it. It is a revelation given by Veda, a fact. Very difficult to understand first. Swallowing things apro. Understanding is kashtam. Shankaracharya is an Advaita philosopher. Advaitam is a philosophy. பரம்பரை இல்லாமலே சாஸ்திர பத்ததி இல்லாமலே படிக்காமலே வந்தா இந்த மாதிரி ராங் நேம்ஸ் they give and they write books and give wrong understanding to the people and they thrive like that only life, janmas and janmas. That's why to get moksha, commentaries, books never work. Never rely upon any commentaries. Only parampara guru dwara eva jnana praptihi. Put the whole libraries, books and all, everything in. I don't say they are useless. But never come to conclusion, if I read all these books, great scholars they have written, ஐ கெட் மோக்ஷான்னா நோ கேரண்டி. நோ கேரண்டி இல்லை, அசல் வராது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் வரவே வராது. என்ன இந்த அளவுக்கு யோசிக்கணும்னா ஒரு 10 வருஷம் படிக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் systematically, consistently, if you study Shastra, minimum 15 years only, you can understand this statement, what I am talking from 5 minutes. Past 5 minutes, what I am talking, to understand, to assimilate this fact, you must have or 10-15 years foundation of Vedanta study. அது இல்லைன்னா புரிஞ்சுக்கவே முடியாது. ஏதோ it is a sound for normal person. It is ordinary sound. அதில் எவ்வளோ டெப்த் இருக்குன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியாது. So therefore we never call it as a philosophy. This Apara Charvaka says, therefore one Charvaka is negating the other Charvaka. நம்ம நெகேட் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை, அவனுக்கு அவனை நெகேட் பண்ணுகிறான். பிரதம மல்லன் நியாயம் மாதிரி, once you want to become a champion, all other champions are already defeated by other champions. So final champion I am. So therefore I need not fight with them because they are fighting with each other. No. Second Charvaka negating the first Charvaka, third Charvaka negating the second Charvaka, fourth Charvaka negating the third Charvaka. நமக்கு வேலை கிடையாது. எல்லாரும் நெகேட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் மிச்சம் யாரும் இருப்பான், அவனை நம்ம நெகேட் பண்ணிடுவோம். That's what Gaudapada says in Mandukya Karika. அவர் சும்மா உட்காருவார், let them fight each other. எனக்கு ஜாபே இல்லை, அவனுக்கு அவனை நெகேட் பண்ணிடுவான். Finally I come onto the stage. Therefore he says Indriya Pranabhava Anyontara Atma Pranamayaha. In the Deha Indriyas interior, whatever is there, that is Pranamayaha. Anya Antaraha, inside, interior. This is that Pramanam is there, Shastra Pramanam. And he Shastra Pramanam சொல்லுவா. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் மன ஆத்மா, அது மன அல்ல புத்தி எல்லாம், he don't bother. He stopped there and பசி வந்தது வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டான். So he has quoted that Pranatma Taittiriya mantra. What about the next mantra? He thought, avladha. That in Chandogya we saw, in the Indra and Virochana, when they went to Prajapati, Indra and Virochana taken what? Indra, Virochana took this body as Atma. And Indra got doubt and went back and learned later. Like this, many students come and they don't study continuously and they go, எனக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும் வேதாந்தான்னு. இப்படிதான் கன்க்ளூஷன். அதான் வேதாந்தா கிளாஸ்க்கு இர்ரெகுலர் அட்டெண்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது. இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஸ்டடி, ஸ்டடி கம்ப்ளீட்லி. அரைக்குறை படித்தான்னா அரைக்குறை ஞானம், அரைக்குறை ஞானம் வச்சு, and they use all quoting that Veda mantras, Bhagavad Gita quotings and all, and earning money. எனக்கு தெரியும் சாஸ்திரம்னு சொல்லி, அப்பா எவ்வளோ படிச்சிருக்காருன்னா சுண்ணா சுத்தம்னா சுத்தம். That's why very, very careful when you approach by just eloquence, by words. They are, no, you should not enamored by their language. That's what Swamiji says always. A preacher, a real teacher, never want to impress the people. A great teacher is one who never tries to impress the people. He never tries to impress the people. Good teacher is one who always try to express, not to impress. Try to express. I have to do good expression. The expression is important, not impressing the people. By impression, you never get knowledge. Impressing the people by their language, by their way of வேஷம் and all, பட்டாட்டோப்பம் எல்லாம் போட்டு இம்ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண என்ன வரும்? ஞானமா வரும், இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன் வரும், அப்புறம் பெர்ஸ்பிரேஷன் வரும். First inspiration, then perspiration. Perspiration is sweating. First inspiration, And if you get inspiration, aha, wonderful, wonderful. That is called what you can call intellectual itching, no? It is a type of intellectual itching. And they look at the language, they look at how they talk, how they are popular, how their great people are coming, rich people are coming, and they look at the status, நமக்கு ஸ்பான்சர் பிளேஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்களா இல்லையா, பேட்ரன் ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கா இல்லையா, இதெல்லாம் அந்த ஸ்டேட்டஸ் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுவான், ஸ்டேட்டஸ் கோ மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுவான். அந்த பிளேஸ்க்கு தான் they will go. That is, they want impressing the public, no? They want to impress the public. Public also wants such a type of person. A real teacher never encourages such a type of individuality to continue. All are one and the same when they come to the class. You have to forget your portfolio, status, everything. As long as you carry your status, என்ன ஞானம் வரும்? இண்டிவிஜுவாலிட்டியே விடல, என்ன அகங்காரம் போகும், என்ன ஞானம் வரும்? Otherwise, teachers must be very careful. They should not encourage anybody wants a name, fame by coming to the classes, popularity. Teachers should not encourage at all. That means the teacher is not interested really in the well-being of the student and artham. If I want my student should get moksha, I have to be very strict. Give up your individuality with your chappals. Come as a simple, humble student of Vedanta. Nothing doing here. Student வரலன்னா பரவாயில்ல, வராது, நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸுக்கு வர வேண்டாம் అని சொல்லிடுவோம். டைரக்டாக சொல்ல மாட்டோம், அவனே வரமாட்டான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், அவனே வரமாட்டான். And we don't encourage that individuality, name and fame and all. அந்த ஈகோ விட்டாதான் இங்க ஆத்மா பிரம்ம பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானமே வரும். Maximum people, they are not ready to give up. They want to associate with associations, missions for name and fame's sake, but they never ready to give up their status. Ego. Very difficult. All they are called come under Charvakas. They will become Charvakas, Apara Charvakas. It's not so easy to study Vedanta. நிறைய ஸ்டெப்ஸ் வரும். எங்க ஃபெயில் ஆக போறாமோ தெரியல, என்ன ஹர்டிலோ நிக்க போறாமோ தெரியல. பிரதி ஒன் இஸ் ஹர்டில் தான். ஹர்டில் கேம் தெரியுமோ? ஹர்டில் கேம். எவ்ரி ஹர்டில் யூ ஹேவ் டு கிராஸ், தென் only you will get gold medal. எந்த ஹர்டில் எங்க மாட்டிருப்போமோ தெரியாது. Until I get Brahmanishta, nobody knows. Even teacher do not know. How long this student is going to continue also, teacher do not know. Adude praptam. Okay, idella aside topic. Okay, leave it. Prana abhavaha indriyadi chalana ayoga. The prana is not there, indriyas cannot function. This is yukti. And anubhava is aham ashanayavan. I am hungry. I have hunger and சொல்லலாம் இல்லையோ? Why you say I am hungry? Pranamaya Kosha level, he says I am hungry. This is his experience, everyone's experience. I am pipasavan. I am thirsty. Pipasana thirst. Pipasavan thirsty. I am thirsty, I am hungry. Ityadi. Etc. etc. Anubhavacha. Because of this experience, prana alone is Atma. If you don't eat 2-3 days, you தெரியும் prana important இல்லையா. Therefore pranameva Atma. சாப்பிட்டா பிராணம் இருக்கும், சாப்பிடலன்னா பிராணம் இருக்காது. அதனால சாப்பாடு நாளைக்கு வேணும் வேணும்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ, ஹங்கரை, thirst and all. Therefore prana atmavada. Next, one more charvaka. பாருங்க, கண்டினியூஸா வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. அன்யஸ்து சார்வாகஹ அன்யோந்தர ஆத்மா மனோமயஹ इत्यादि श्रुतेः मनसि सुप्ते प्राणादेरभावः प्राणादेरभावात् अहं संकल्पवान् अहं विकल्पवानिति इत्यादि अनुभवाच्च विकल्पवानित्यादि अनुभवाच्च मन आत्मा इति वदति. Vadati means what? Final statement. Vadati means his conclusion, his determination, decision. What is that? Anyastu. And tu vyavrityartham. You see other three charvakas, he is negating them. Anyaha, other charvaka says, fourth charvaka, Anyuntara Atma Manomayaha. Interior to prana, mind is there. Mind alone is Atma. Mana Atma Vadi. He is Mana Atma Vadi. Mana eva Atma. He also quotes the same Taittiriya Upanishad. See, people don't study completely. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் படிச்சு எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும்னு சொல்லுவான். They say like that only. Otherwise, how they come to conclusion like this? They don't study totally, perfectly, long time படிக்க மாட்டாங்க. Even Vedanta teachers also, there is a tragic thing என்னன்னா, கொஞ்சம் ஒரு குரு கொஞ்சம் become popular. No? When I am teaching, I will become popular. Many students are coming and I will become so busy. I conduct so many classes. Then what I do? Abba, ithan students vara. So many students are coming. So much Gurudashana is coming. So much name and fame is coming. Why I have to study further? Podum. And they stop studying and they will become more famous and famous. And they want to earn lot of name, lot of fame from the public. And because people are inspired, what is speech, what is speech, what is speech. Appa, you are bloating. Bloating and he becomes, see, Indra, Chandra, Surya, and he goes to all abroad, here, that and these countries. And Sashtanga Namaskar, apde Vendi Simhasanam, enna Simhasanam, gold Simhasanam, ellame varum, periya ashramas, so many people are ready to give land and all. And even enna pannuva, if busy ah irukku naan ipo padikkiradhukku time illa, because I am busy with my students. This is what happens. Of course, that teacher is also not available to teach further. Further teacher is not available to teach. This person is also not available for learning. And in the Sarakora Gnana Vechi, and he become very popular in thousands and lakhs of people. That's one of the, what you can call pitiable condition happening in our country now. அந்த நேமுக்கு ஃபேமுக்கு விடாமலே சாஸ்திரம் படிக்கிறதுன்னா அது இன்னும் கஷ்டம். இது பெரிய ஹர்டில் டீச் பண்ணும்போதே, because the way you are teaching, the subject you are teaching, people really engross and they will praise like anything. ஏமாந்தி போகாதே. The teacher should be very careful. No, I know very little. There is much more to learn. Lot of depth. அதனால it's an ever-ending process. Be as a listener all the time. Whatever I have studied from Swamini is enough. Let me start class in my area. You can share, but never think that you have learned everything. And the thought vandadana, you are doing injustice to Shastra. This is Shastra. Of course, you are also missing. You are the most loser. That's why very few people are there who was really well learned, totally studied. You can count them on fingers. On fingertips they are there. Very difficult. Unless you study Shastra deeply, then only you know what is the shallowness of other people. We are not interested to show the shallowness, but you know that is not the teaching. That is not ultimate. That is not the thing. That's why if I do not know the exact teaching, learning is not there, we'll miss in this life, that's all. That's why learn, always study more further. ఇదిలోనే 50% అవుట్. ఇన్ ద స్క్రూటినీలోనే 50% అవుట్. నేమ్, ఫేమ్, మనీ. ఈవెన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ విల్ నాట్ అలౌ యూ టు స్టడీ. ஏன்னா அவளை பிஸியாக வைப்பாங்க. And the teacher also becomes so busy, they will not allow this teacher to study further. அவர் இன்னும் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்காரா, பாவம் அவருக்கு இன்னும் பிரியலான்னு சொல்லுவான். அவர் இன்னும் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்காருன்னு. படிக்காமல் என்னதான் பண்ணணும்? படிச்சுட்டே தான் இருக்கணும். படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன்னா they may think I do not know. Let them think. Let them think. If they think, it is their wrong thinking. What can I do? I want to study. There are a lot of areas which are very wonderful, beautiful to understand. Therefore, அந்த வித்யா கர்வம் வரக்கூடாது. அந்த வினயம் வேணும். தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், கற்றுக்கணும், படிக்கணும். ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டஸ் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் நான் போய் அவர்கிட்ட படிக்கணுமான்னு வரக்கூடாது. எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எத்தனை இருக்கு தெரியுமா உலகத்தில்? இதெல்லாம் இருக்கிற சொல்றதுக்குள்ள டைமாக போச்சு. சப்ஜெக்டுக்குள்ள சப்ஜெக்ட் வந்துன்னு இருக்கேன், என்ன பண்றது? These are all obstacles. Anyantara atma manomayaha ityadi manasi supte. This is from Taittiriya Upanishad. He has given Shruti Pramana. Now Yukti Pramana means manasi supte. When you are sleeping, mind is not active. When mind is passive, pranadehe abhavaha. Here abhavaha means author is presenting prana is not functioning, he said. But what we have to understand here, prana dehe abhavaha means prana is functioning, but this person do not know prana is functioning. Prana is functioning because to keep your prarabdha continue. Prana is functioning, but it is as good as not functioning. Now what is functioning? You remember that you are breathing in, breathing out, prana functioning in sleep? No, but there are sankalpas and vikalpas. You have forgotten the prana, but sankalpa, vikalpa is the playing role here. Sankalpa means thinking for, vikalpa means thinking against. Vikalpa. Thinking for and vikalpa means thinking against. Aham vikalpavan. I am making a decision. I am not taking any decision. So I am going for this. I am not going for this. And in the sankalpa vikalpam pandrom illiyo? Idu manasu mulama pandrom. Pranama pandrathe. Prana is not doing. Prana cannot do. Prana pandratha oru karyam yaro pandra. Illiyo? பிராணம் பண்ண முடியாத ஒரு காரியம் சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம் somebody is doing. That is mind. அப்போ பிராணம் பண்ணாத காரியம் இருக்கும்போது பிராணம் ஆத்மா எப்படி ஆக முடியும்? அப்போ பிராணம் விட ஏதோ கிரேட் திங் இஸ் தேர், தட் இஸ் மைண்ட். அதுக்கு தான் மனசு, இதுதான் யுக்தி. Therefore இத்யாதி அனுபவாச்ச, இது அனுபவம். ஓகே, மன ஆத்மா இதி வததி. மனஸ் alone is ஆத்மா. இவருக்கு அப்புறம் இன்னொரு வருவார். புத்திஸ்ட் ஆர் கோயிங் டு கம். சார்வாகாசன் முடிச்சுட்டோம். ஓகே, புத்திஸ்ட் ஆர் கோயிங் டு கம். விஜ்ஞானம் இது ஆத்மான்னு வருவார். அப்புறம் another philosophy comes. They also say differently. So let us see how many misconceptions are there, superimpositions are there. We'll see that more next class. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ।